All right, you only have one monitor, but you want a second screen for a reference window, a chat application, a media player, or anything else you want visible while you work. Your phone, tablet, or iPad is sitting right there on your desk doing nothing. With a free app called Space Desk, your phone or tablet, iPad, becomes a fully functional second monitor for your Windows PC in about 2 minutes. Your phone or tablet appears as a second monitor in Windows display settings, and you can drag windows and applications onto it exactly like any real monitor. Here's how to set it up quickly. I'll show you both connection methods, wireless over Wi-Fi and wired via USB cable for a more stable connection. On your PC, open a browser and search for Space Desk, then go to spacedesk.net. Click Download and grab the Windows driver installer for the version of your PC. Run it, accept the terms, and click Install. During installation or afterward through Windows Security, allow Space Desk through the Windows firewall when prompted. This is essential for wireless connection. Space Desk communicates over your local network, and the firewall must permit it. Allow access on both private and public networks to be safe on your home network. Space Desk installs as a background service and runs automatically. Open it on the PC. You can set a password or leave it without one. I recommend using a password if multiple people use your network. On your phone or tablet, iPad, open spacedesk.net. Click Download and navigate to Space Desk Viewer. Click on the version for your device, Android, iOS, or Amazon. It will take to Play Store or App Store. Download and install the official app. Open Space Desk app after installation. Make sure your phone or tablet and PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Space Desk app on your phone. It automatically scans the network and displays your PC by name and IP address in the list. Tap your PC to connect. The connection establishes in a few seconds. Your phone screen will show an extended display, a dark background with a cursor visible when you move your mouse onto it. The phone is now a live second monitor for your PC. Once connected, configure the display arrangement in Windows. Right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. You'll see your phone appearing as a second monitor, labeled Display 2 or similar. Set the display mode. Click Extend these displays under Multiple Displays. This is what gives you a genuine extended desktop where you can drag windows onto the phone screen. The phone may initially show a small or incorrectly sized image. Click on the phone's display icon in Display Settings, scroll to Display Resolution, and select the native resolution of your phone. Apply the change. The phone screen will now fill correctly. With setup complete, move your mouse to the edge of your main monitor in the direction you placed the phone display. The cursor crosses over to your phone screen. Drag any window from your PC to the phone screen, a browser tab, a document, a chat app, a video player. It sits on the phone screen as a live working window, fully interactive. Your main PC screen and phone screen together form one extended desktop, exactly like having two physical monitors. For a more stable, lower latency connection, particularly on networks with congestion or interference, Space Desk supports USB connection. Connect your phone or tablet to the PC with a USB cable. Allow the USB debugging authorization on the phone when prompted. On Windows, open the Space Desk driver console. Find it in the system tray or search for Space Desk in Start. In the settings, find the USB cable connection option and enable it. Return to the Space Desk app on your phone or tablet and connect. The USB connection appears in the app alongside the network option. Select it. The connection is established over USB, avoiding any Wi-Fi latency. Drop a comment with what you're using the second screen for. I'm curious what applications people find most useful on a phone-sized extended display. Please hit a like and subscribe to my channel. I post practical tech guides every day. Thanks for watching.